If you've ever dreamed of harvesting baskets full of plump juicy peppers and vibrant veggies, but don't want to rely on chemical fertilizers, you're not alone. More and more gardeners are turning to natural, homemade fertilizers that work with nature, rather than against it. And the good news is, you don't have to be a soil scientist to get amazing results. With just a few simple ingredients you probably already have around the house, you can supercharge your plants, enrich your soil, and grow healthier vegetables with ease. Today let's talk about 3 tried and true natural fertilizers that are helping home gardeners grow lush, productive gardens without spending a dime on synthetic chemicals. These are not gimmicks. They're time-tested, nutrient-rich concoctions that you can mix up with little effort. We're talking about manure tea, banana peel tonic, and compost tea. Each one works in a slightly different way, but together they form a powerhouse trio that delivers everything your peppers and vegetables need to thrive. Before diving into how to make them, it's helpful to understand why these natural brews are so effective. Healthy plants need balanced nutrition just like we do. Nitrogen helps with leafy green growth. Phosphorus supports root development and flowering. Potassium boosts fruit production and overall plant vigor. The beauty of these natural fertilizers is that they provide all of that, plus trace minerals, beneficial microbes, and organic compounds that stimulate soil life. When you feed the soil feeds your plants, and that's the simple magic behind these recipes. If your peppers look tired, pale, or slow-growing, manure tea can turn things around quickly. It's like a multivitamin for your garden. You don't need fancy tools. Just a bucket, some animal manure, and water. Manure from chickens, ducks, goats, or sheep works best. Just avoid using any manure from meat-eating animals, as it can contain pathogens. To make manure tea, simply scoop a few shovelfuls of aged manure into a 5-gallon bucket. Fill the bucket with water, stir it well, and let it sit for 3 to 5 days. Give it a stir once or twice a day to keep it active. When it's ready, you'll notice the water turning into a deep, brown, earthy-smelling brew. If it smells foul, it's not ready, or something went wrong. The final color should resemble a light iced tea. You can strain it through an old cloth or just let the solid settle and pour off the liquid. Manure tea is potent, so you'll want to dilute it before pouring it onto your plants. Using about 1 part tea to 5 parts water is usually safe. Apply it directly to the soil every 10 to 14 days. Your peppers and vegetables will respond with stronger growth, greener leaves, and improved resilience. If there's one thing peppers and fruiting vegetables love, it's potassium. It supports flowering, fruit setting, and helps plants deal with stress. And few household items are as rich in potassium as banana peels. Instead of tossing them out, you can turn them into a gentle tonic that encourages prolific blooms and fruit development. To make banana peel tonic, simply collect peels from your daily bananas and store them in a glass jar or pitcher filled with water. You can keep it in the fridge to slow fermentation, or let it sit at room temperature if you want faster results. After a week, the water will darken slightly and develop a sweet, earthy smell. That's your sign that the potassium, calcium, and magnesium from the peels have infused into the liquid. Strain out the peels and use the liquid as a gentle foliar spray or root drench every 2 to 3 weeks. You'll notice your pepper plants blooming earlier, setting more fruit and maintaining stronger stems and leaves. It's a small change that makes a surprisingly big impact. If manure tea is a multivitamin, compost tea is more like a probiotic smoothie for your soil. It's packed with beneficial bacteria, fungi, and trace nutrients that restore life to tired soil and feed your plants from the ground up. Compost tea is especially helpful if you're working with depleted or sandy soil that lacks microbial diversity. To brew compost tea, start with mature compost. It should be dark, crumbly, and have a rich, earthy scent. Scoop a generous amount into a porous bag, like an old pillowcase or mesh sack, and submerge it in a 5-gallon bucket of water. Stir it a few times, then let it steep overnight or for up to 24 hours. The resulting liquid is rich, brown, and alive with microbial life. Apply this tea around the base of your plants or use it as a foliar spray in the early morning. It nourishes the root zone while also improving the overall structure and fertility of the soil. Over time, it helps create a thriving underground ecosystem that supports better plant growth and reduces the need for any synthetic inputs. A few tips to get the most out of these fertilizers. When using any of these teas or tonics, water your garden first to avoid shocking the plants. It's best to apply these liquids in the morning or late afternoon to prevent leaf scorch. If you can, use rainwater instead of tap water when making the teas. Municipal tap water often contains chlorine, which can harm the very microbes you're trying to cultivate. And always remember, These natural fertilizers are powerful but gentle. More isn't always better. Stick to a schedule and let your plants guide you. The results speak for themselves. Gardeners who switch to these natural methods often notice a shift not just in plant health, but in the feel of their gardens. The soil becomes darker, more crumbly, and alive with worms and insects. The plants look happier, the fruit is more flavorful, and there's a deep satisfaction in knowing you're feeding your garden the way nature intended. No chemicals, no guesswork, just simple ingredients and patience. So, if you've been wondering how to give your peppers and vegetables a boost without breaking the bank or compromising your values, these 3 natural fertilizers are a great place to start. They're easy to make, fun to use, and incredibly effective. Before you go, let's grow together. If this guide helped you feel more confident about natural fertilizers, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on Hydro Haven. We've got plenty more down-to-earth tips just like this coming your way. And if you know someone trying to grow better peppers or vegetables, share this video with them. It might be just what their garden needs. Happy growing, and see you in the next video.